How's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to do the active track with the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Let's get into it. Okay, so all you're going to want to do is when the DJI is up in the air, you just want to tap and highlight yourself, car, etc. As you can see, I'm on my bike, so I'm just highlighting myself there. Little tutorial comes up. You can watch that if you like, but this is a nice easy rundown. So once you've done that, it'll give you the options of active track, spotlight or POI. You simply want to click active track, click trace, and then you click go. And then when you see the stop button come up, then you know the DJI is following you. So it's very easy, very straightforward, and yeah, this is a little rundown of it following me. Hopefully that tutorial helped you guys out. I absolutely love the DJI Mini 3 Pro. One of the best drones you can personally get, in my opinion. It's very easy to fly, has so many good parts with it, good gadget, unreal camera, it's just fantastic. So, as I said in the video, you just simply want to tap and highlight a car, person, motorbike, etc. You want to make sure that you click active track, and then you go to trace, make sure it's on trace, and then you click go, and then the little guy just does it all by himself. So hopefully that helped you out, and I'll see you out there.